Here is a simple way to grow your herb garden.
Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how I've been propagating mint leaves. Lemon balm, this is the healthiest one I've found. I've just been like finding a taller stalk, and then we're finding like a node area like right below here, for example. So yes, you can clean these scissors and go ahead and cut under the leaves, one node of leaves. And so here's your stalk cut right under the nodes, and then you're meant to just take off the leaves at the bottom and leave one at the top. So I'm just taking off these spearmint leaves and saving them for a shake or something. I gave these a good wash, and you can also use hydrogen peroxide to kind of disinfect everything.
You can also use a dilute solution of hydrogen peroxide that you can get at the store at a standard 3% solution. You can pour that directly in the soil surrounding your plant to prevent root rot. You can also use a spray containing that on the leaves, which is also called foliage. And lastly, you can soak your seeds in hydrogen peroxide to kind of future-proof them for any bacteria, viruses, and fungi, as well as allowing them to efficiently absorb more oxygen for better germination.
I'm just gonna leave that on top there. And what you get are, I'm just gonna put some water in a cup and put these like mint leaves on. It's probably best like one per cup, but I also have some that I've kept for a while. I did this like 2 weeks ago, and I kept one, and they've developed rootlets, like you can see that there, the rootlets. So they should be able to be planted in some soil. I'll show you the potting soil I got. So here's other mint with rootlets, and I'm impressed. They kind of just popped up within 1 week. This one looks like nice and hardy. I would guess that this is gonna grow. So yes. I also wanted to note that I actually didn't put any food of any sort. I just let the cuttings sit in water with plenty of sun for about a week. And I have this Miracle Grow seed starting potting soil. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill a pot up and put those mint leaves with the roots in, and we'll check back in 2 weeks and see what happens.